Get closer. Put your shoes on. Get closer.
Bella, what did you find? Bella, what did you find? You found a goose.
Smile for the picture.
I want it noted that I didn't kill it.
Smile for the picture.
No one here probably killed it. What killed it though?
The dog.
I think she killed it. Found and already. Sometimes they just die and maybe just felt it was dying.
It's missing a leg. Can I sing Amazing Grace?
You can try.
Can I?
A plastic bag. So you can put that goose in it.
No.
No, a garbage bag. He's bigger than a Walmart bag.
This is just perfect.
Go get the shovel.
What, the poop shovel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did she have
Okay. I'll get the poop shovel. I'll get the shovel. Bella, would you like to say a few words about this goose that you dragged in?
Okay, come on.
Truly a
No, come on, girl.
truly a moving eulogy. Okay.
You might just have to put that down, though.
Never.
And don't touch me with it.
We'll try not. Oh,
Right.
neck is totally.
Yeah.
We'll need two.
Just give it a little shove underneath it.
I'm gonna like. We need two shovels.
I don't know what I don't want to touch it.
You can't get it with one shovel. It's so. You can't get it with one shovel. It's so big. What? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, push it like the rest of it. Oh my God.
Here, you hold the bag then.
Okay. Here, I'll change. Yeah. Oh my God.
Ew, Bella.
Don't touch me with that, please. Alright, get like it's. Yeah. Then like. Oh, okay, it's neck flung.
Yuck.
Yeah. What do I do with it? What? Okay. Hold on. There's a dead goose in that bag. Folks. Ain't that fun? That stick is dead to us now. Yeah, definitely double bag it. This thing is heavy.
Makes it want a fine Christmas dinner.
If it still had both legs, maybe. Now I want to go on some kind of messed up scavenger hunt that leads me to the second leg.
I think we'll pass on that thought.
Yeah, definitely a bigger bag. Ugh. Nasty. Where's this going?
I'm gonna throw it in the back of Subi too for a while. Probably for the rest of the summer.
Oh no, not my car. No. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I wouldn't do that.
Okay. I know we're gonna have to miss one day's worth of
Stop.
What? It's not that gross.